Welcome to our UPuan for Green Space CWTS project. For this video, we will show our bench making process. But first, let us get to know our group members. In our group, we have Darren, Leon, Aya, and Micha. And we are the Pahingahan group. Why did we decide to do this project? Through this project, we want to allow people to experience a green space which is good for our general health. So, our goal is to create a Pahingahan place near CHK, which is our college grounds, for students and faculty to enjoy and reduce stress. The first part of the bench making process is retrieving the benches. Here, we can see strips of wood that no longer have use. So our first task is to retrieve these woods so that we can renovate and fix it. For the second part of the bench making process, we will see how the benches will be fixed at the warehouse. With these uneven pieces of woods, they first measured it and cut it so they would look identical to each other. Then with leftover wood and metal scraps, they will cut legs for the benches. After cutting the legs to identical lengths, they will now stick it together. After they do that, it is now time to attach it to the seat. After everything is assembled, they will now sand it down.
Sige, leha ka lang ka, binibidyo ko lang konti para kan. Seconds lang na leha-leha, pwede na yan. Okay.
Now you can see that they are spraying primer on it so that the bench will have a more presentable look.
Seconds lang pwede na eh.
For the third part of the bench making process, it is finally time to deliver it to CHK. We have a total of 4 final products, 2 metal benches and 2 wood benches. And finally, for the last part of the bench making process, it is now time to rest and relax on these benches, which is placed on the open area of CHK. Thank you so much for watching!